Welcome back, Panda family. Welcome to another mukbang. We got a very fun item to eat today. It is the Arby's Meat Mountain Sandwich. For you guys that don't already know, Arby's actually has a secret menu, and there's a lot of different items on there. But one of my favorite items, and one of the items that we tried back in the day when we first started dating, was the Arby's Meat Mountain Sandwich. So for those of you guys that don't know what it is, let me tell you. It's basically Arby's ginormous sandwich with all their meat put together.
They have bacon.
They have from their chicken strip down here to, I think, bacon, some ham, some roast beef, cheddar cheese, chicken, turkey. Like, they have so many different cuts of meat.
This is the inside.
They don't call this a meat mountain for no reason. So if you guys ever, want to get your protein in, this is something definitely that you guys should try. We haven't had this in, like couple years. So, we're here to try it again. Hopefully it tastes the same. So, just always, guys, before we start and enjoy, don't forget, support the channel, subscribe, like, comment, let us know how we did, let us know how you guys feel. We're trying to grow this channel. Still trying to hit the big 50 subscriber, get to 50 subscriber. So only you guys can, help us get there. But yeah, guys, I'm starving. For on the sides, we got our onion rings. For me, she likes curly fries for her. But yeah, you excited?
Yeah.
All right, I'm excited too.
Should we put the sauce in or no?
If you want, I just like the way it is. This is hefty, guys. Look at this.
Okay, let me put the sauce.
Look at all of that meat.
You're gonna be fat.
All right, while you do that, I'm just gonna dig it out. I need to figure out how to do this.
Okay. Cheers. Oh my God, how can I? We need to like big mouth. Oh my God.
Look at this, guys. All those different layers of cuts of meat. So good.
Chicken.
Like, out of everything in Arby's menu, this is probably my favorite sandwich. Like, it's just so good. No question about it. Just try it.
Oh my God, it's really hot.
Onion ring, nice and crispy. But yeah, it's called the Arby's Meat Mountain once again. And for the sandwich on its own in this area, it costs $10. For $10, I think it's definitely worth a try.
$10? I thought it's $12.
$10 for the sandwich alone, about $12 for like a whole meal.
So the price doesn't change at all, because 4 years ago we eat it like $12.
Actually, no. 4 years ago, it was $10. Still.
10?
Yeah, it was still $10 for just a sandwich.
That's really good.
And
No inflation at all.
surprisingly. And it's still $10 now.
Oh my God. Oops.
You know when I first met you?
What?
You were able to eat the whole thing by yourself.
I think 70%.
No, I remember the whole thing.
At first I eat 70% and then I say, okay, the rest I'm gonna eat it at home. We eat it in the car. Remember? And then I finish it at home.
Like, I can't even describe to you guys how this tastes like. There's just so much going on.
It's fun. It's fun to eat. That's it.
I kind of wish more fast food restaurants do this. Just have all their meat together in one sandwich. I don't typically explore secret menus, but if you guys have like a secret menu item that we should try, let us know. I'm definitely up for it.
This similar like all you can eat the meat in burger.
Mm-hmm.
That we have all you can eat barbecue. Now we have all you can eat meat in burger.
Does it still taste the same? The heck kind of onion ring is this?
Giant.
Does it still taste the same like you remember?
I don't. Because we tried too many burger and this one is too long, so I don't remember.
It still tastes the same. Just like I remember.
My God, it's huge.
Well, it's my first meal of the day. I'm allowed to be a pig. So good. I'm so happy. Are you guys out there? Are you guys onion rings people? Or more french fry, curly fries kind of people? I think over the years, I just kind of like got tired of fries.
What you say?
Oh, you know, growing up, every time you eat burger, they always have fries. And I think I got, I got tired of eating fries, which is why I like onion rings. Just, you know, different flavor, crunchy. So I usually get onion rings with like my burgers and stuff like that. So I already gave my opinion way even before we started eating. I love it. You should try it. Enjoy it. What do you think? Should I try it?
I think the people doesn't like burger like me should try this one. It's really easy to eat though.
What do you mean easy to eat?
It's feel like I don't know how to say that. Like you just eat meat with bread.
Okay.
Nothing else.
That's every sandwich.
Yeah, it's kind of like sandwich. I don't feel it like burger.
Okay.
That's how I feel.
That makes
Burger
sense.
is more stuffing, this and that. But sandwich is simple. It's like two things snap together.
Actually, that's a very good description. This is basically sandwich with just a lot of meat.
Yeah.
That's a good description. You can probably recreate this, to be honest with you. Just buy all these different cuts of meat at your local market, put it between two burger buns, and boom, done. You got yourself your own meat mountain. You took the chicken apart. You're supposed to eat it together.
Too much.
Too much? Okay. Well,
Okay.
Well, we're gonna stop right here, guys. We're gonna, continue enjoying our meal. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video of us eating the Arby's Meat Mountain. Hopefully, you guys also try yourself. Once again, don't forget, subscribe, comment, like, talk to us. Let us know how we do. Help us grow this channel together, and support the Panda family.
I hope everybody doing well this season. Coronavirus.
Yeah. So,
Stay safe.
this is the coronavirus season. Hopefully we look back at this video from 1 or 2 years from now and, just remember what's been going on. But yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Order yourself some fast food. Don't go out for the time being. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.